Uniswap V3 is a decentralized finance protocol that enables the trading of cryptocurrencies on the Ethereum blockchain. To understand Uniswap V3, let's start with the basics. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange, also known as a DEX, that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies in a trustless and permissionless manner. At its core, Uniswap V3 is a liquidity pool-based protocol, where users can provide liquidity to the protocol by depositing their cryptocurrencies into a pool. This pool is then used to facilitate trades between different users. Uniswap V3 introduces several key innovations, including concentrated liquidity, which allows liquidity providers to provide liquidity to a specific price range, rather than the entire price curve. This approach enables more efficient use of capital and allows liquidity providers to earn higher returns. Another key feature of Uniswap V3 is its use of non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, to represent liquidity positions. This allows liquidity providers to easily manage and transfer their positions. To get started with Uniswap V3, users need to connect their Ethereum wallet to the Uniswap interface and select the pool they want to provide liquidity to. They can then deposit their cryptocurrencies into the pool and specify the price range they want to provide liquidity to. Once they have provided liquidity, they can earn trading fees and rewards in the form of Uniswap's native token. Best practices for using Uniswap V3 include diversifying your liquidity positions across multiple pools and price ranges, monitoring your positions regularly, and adjusting them as market conditions change. It's also important to be aware of the risks associated with providing liquidity, including impermanent loss and smart contract risk. In conclusion, Uniswap V3 is a powerful protocol that enables efficient and decentralized trading of cryptocurrencies. By understanding how it works and following best practices, users can unlock new opportunities for earning returns and participating in the decentralized finance ecosystem.